Hello, and this is video number 8. On this video, we will be talking about how we work with charts, how we make charts like that. So I will delete it and we will make it again. Please subscribe for the channel, and I hope you enjoy the video. So at first, before you make any chart, before you insert the chart, you have to select the data that you want it to be in a chart. So I will be selecting the months, bills, and the name of the bill and the amount of each bill. Then I go to insert. Then here, halfway, there's charts. You choose the 2D charts or the 3D charts. I will choose the 3D chart. Drag it to under the table we have. And now you see the chart is giving as a maximum as 1000 as rank. When you change the data here, let's make it 1800. You see have been changed to the maximum of 1800, which is the range of January 2019. That's where we made the change. I'll get back to 1000. Then the chart will change as we change the numbers, the values. When you click on the chart, you will see chart tools show up here. See, it's gone. When you click on the chart tools, which is design, you can change the chart style, and I will choose this one. And for the format, you can change the text and simply change the format for the chart. You can insert shapes. So here, this is what you edit for the chart. This is how you customize it. I would like to put the legend on the top, and the numbers here, the data labels, data callouts. No, this will be a mess. So I can do it as a data table. Then the chart will be that small. I'll just take out the labels, and you can match it from here. If you click on the yellow, if you click on the blue one, it will show you this is the range. The yellow one is the food. Plus you have it here on the legend. Now, what I want from you to play with it and customize it and practice on that. This is the styles for the chart. The color is how you want to change the colors. If you want to start with this, with a dark yellow, with orange, this looks nice. I'll choose this. The style is exactly what we have just talked about in the format. In the design, the chart styles. You have them here too. Now the filters. If you want to see only January, you can just mark January. Take the select all, just select January. Apply. This is only January. If you want to select all, it will bring them back to you. If you want only to see the ranks or the phone or candy, apply. this is the candy for all the months, the 3 months. Yeah. Now, if we want to copy the chart, there's two ways. Copy or move the chart. There's a way that copying a chart like copying anything else, which is Control V. Then I'll put it here. Control C to copy and Control V here to paste. We still have it, and we still can control it with the numbers. And there's another way to move this chart. You select the chart, you go to Design, Move Chart. You can move it into, this displays the worksheets that we have here. So practice monthly budget, and the chart is monthly budget chart. Here you can change the chart, and now the chart is by itself here. This we will go further with this. This is like the main reason to do this move is to print the chart. So that's something not for now. And we just moved the chart. So here still connects to the data. That's perfect. Then you see how, yeah, I've mentioned how to change these colors. You can change these colors, or I would say only those, by the design format, by the shape fill. You can make the shape fill any color you want from here, and you can change those to the same way from the format. The shape effect, can change that too. Can modify it from here. So play with it and practice with that. There's another kind of charts that I want to mention, which is it's a kind of chart for less data, and it only specifies like a bill for 3 months, or 3 bills for a month, or 5 bills. It's called the pie chart, which is a circular chart. Here you can make it like a donut, make it 3D, make it like 2D pie. So I will select this. I will select the rent for the 3 months, or I will select them all and show you how this can be presented. This chart shows you January, February, March for rent. Okay. Now, if you want to go with the this is the rent. You can click on the filter and see the credit. This is the credit for January, February, March. And you can show 1 month. You can show a certain bill for the 3 months. Each bill will show up for the months, and I would choose the. What was the big difference between the bills? It was the food. It will give you an estimate. When you click on the shape, it will tell you this is the food, and it's March. This is like the largest portion of the circle. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your time, and please subscribe for the channel. See you in video number 8. This is video number 7. Bye.